How to see exactly which song someone else is listening to on Spotify. First of all, simply open your Spotify account. And once you open your app, simply tap on your profile, then tap on settings and privacy. From there, what you do is simply head over to privacy and social by tapping on it. And under listening activity, you'll find the listening activity toggled. Simply make sure that this is toggled on. And once you toggle this on, your followers can see what you're listening to in real time. And if they have also turned on this feature, that is your fans, you can also likely see what they are playing in real time. And if you also want to do the same for the playlist, you can make your public playlist by making sure that you toggle this icon on. After you make changes to the setting, once you scroll through the friend carousel to say what a connected friend is currently playing, you will be easily able to see. And that's it for the video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, consider giving it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.